seriously, no joke, my legs are shaking. It's more like adrenaline that helps me get down. But I'm telling you, standing on the beach, so worth it. To kind of give you an idea, if you look, if you look at the top here, that's where we started. We had to come all the way down this ridge. It's no joke. And it's so worth it. Did it. Did it.
The bubbles?
Yeah?
Sure.